How are you guys doing? Thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, in our kitchen. We give God all the glory. Today we are going to be roasting lamb. And here I have a big, large chunk of the lamb. And I'm going to be roasting it. We'll be roasting our lamb. Paprika, black pepper, salt, rosemary, seasoning, garlic, pepper, thyme, and here we are having oregano and bay leaf to season, and we're having lemon. We're going to be using 6 lemon and some oil. So what I'm going to do now is I need to punch everything so that my seasoning will be able to go in, especially the garlic. Most often they use the fresh garlic. I'm not a garlic person, so I just want to use the dry garlic so that I won't have to buy garlic at home. So you can use the fresh garlic. If you don't mind. So I'm just trying to make a punch in my lamb. So I'm going to just throw in my bay leaf, mix all my ingredients together, and give it a good scrub. Give it a very good scrub. So it's well scrubbed in. Now I'm going to wash my hand. Now I'm going to cut in my lemon. I'm using 5 of my lemon and squeeze out the juice. I want to have the taste of the lemon. So I'll squeeze out just 3 of it, and I have this quantity. So I'm just going to pour it on it. And I'm going to put a little oil. We should remember that lamb has oil, so we're not going to put much. I'm going to put just so I'm going to pour in some water. I'll be covering it up in my oven with paper. You won't want to use foil paper because it will stick to it. So I'm going in with my paper. So I'm going to be baking for grilling for 180 degree for the first 2 hours, and after that then we turn it and remove the paper on and bake again for another 2 hours. So we're looking for 4 hours until um, the lamb is peeling off the bone. That is what we are looking for. So it's after 2 hours. Let's see what we have. Okay. We're going to remove this, and I'll be slicing in some onions in it, and we'll still have to allow it. It's just a little brown on top. We'll turn it over. So turn it over. Now we're going to put in our onions so that we have a good flavorful. And we're removing the coverage now. Now it's soft, but we remove the coverage. It should be ready. Wow. Let's bring it out. Yeah. Wow. So, you see, it's ready. This is how the roast lamb. Wow. Let's check inside and see how it is. So let's check it out. You see, it's so soft in. This is after 3 hours. See that it's coming out itself. Mm. See. Mm. Mm. It's so nice. And you see the liquid in. See the liquid. So moist in, and the top is brown and grill. So thank you for staying with us now. Please do give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Turn off your notification bell, please. God bless you. Please share my videos. Thank you. Bye.